Hi, good evening, one and all. Welcome to Unacademy. Yes, I'm back with one more the best question series regarding geometry and mensuration. Today we will discuss more on mensuration here, right? So, a little bit typical questions which you mostly observe in ZAT, in IIFT examination, and recently CAT also asking the same pattern of questions, that little bit higher level mensuration questions. Let's see how many can solve today, right? So, before start of the class, please do try to hit the like button here so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? Am I audible? Yes. So before start of the class, please let me introduce myself in second year. This is NLN Sharma and my best CAT score was 99.83 in 2011 and these are my credentials. Now when you use my code NLN10, yes, you will be getting 10% discount and you will get guidance of all these subjects from me. Now, why me? I'm ranked 14 in overall category of GATE and DSC and rank 1 in math and chemistry category. Hi Nomad, how are you? I have dealt more than 50,000 plus students till date for CAT, UPSC and GATE and DSC. Hi Dinesh. So many students were asking me, sir, what is the difference between plus and iconic and what are the advantages when we choose iconic or plus? One such greatest advantage in iconic is you will be getting one-to-one live mentorship program with your mentor and educator so that you can speak with them personally about your difficulties facing during your preparation, where you will get the best solutions to overcome that. One more greatest advantage, test analysis. This is what students need right now. Content, it is available all over many platforms, right? But the thing is, you need guidance, right? Each and every test will be analyzed and your mistakes are identified. And if those mistakes are rectified, automatically score will be boosted. Yes. Once and again, whatever you get in plus, you will get in iconic also. So these are the features of plus and iconic. How much you have to invest? If you are choosing plus and if you are opting for 24-month subscription, it will be costing you on an average of 50 rupees per day, the lowest, where you'll get India's the best educators to teach for you. Now when you use my code NLN10, you'll get my guidance and my entire group guidance and you will be getting 10% off. After 10% discount, the price will be 35,550. For 12 months, it is 24,750 after discount when you use my code NLN10, and this is for 18 months. Coming to iconic, it will be 41,175 after discount when you use my code NLN10, right? For 12 months, and this is for 18 and 24 months. Of course, right? So what we suggest is download the sample notes, check the quality of the notes, check the content of the notes and depth of the notes, right? Darshit, how many sets of DALR we have to do for 99 percentile? So tomorrow I'll do a short regarding this, right? So based on rough calculations, when I take CAT 2021 as base, we need 10 questions to be correct without any negative marking. That means two sets, one set of 6 and one set of 4 questions should be done in order to be you in more than 97 percentile, Darshit. Right? Download the sample notes, check the quality, check the depthness of the course, and then yes, you can subscribe to Unacademy using with my referral code NLN10. And yes, these are the All India mock test dates for CAT 2022. So lock in the dates, unlock this CAT 2022 using my mock CAT 2022 using with my referral code NLN10. And yes, if you are aiming at more discount, right, do try to write combat, which is on August 21 sharp 12 p.m. Based upon the score you get in the combat, you can get at least 25 to 70% discount on the subscription. Unlock the combat using with my referral code NLN10. Of course, it is a 60 minutes test with 30 questions, right? Okay, Pushpa, you are pursuing MSc Math. So, how can I help you here? Let me know. So let's solve the questions here, right? Let's come to this present question. So these many questions we have done, right? More than 300 here. Chal. Yes, I will solve this question. From next question, I will be giving you 2 minutes for each and every question to solve. So put your pen on the paper, try it. Yes, then you check the solution when I solve it, okay? Yes, Dinesh, I have forwarded this PDF to the Telegram groups of all Unacademy Telegram groups, right? You can download there. Or otherwise, you can ping me on my Telegram group. My Telegram group ID is NLN10. Okay? So observe the question there. A fish tank is in the shape of a cuboid, has length, breadth and height of 60, 40 and 80 centimeter respectively. And it is filled with water, it seems. Okay. The base of the tank is tilted by 45 degrees. The base of the tank is tilted by 45 degrees along the breadth, and water coming out from the tank is collected in an empty vessel. The volume of the water collected in empty vessel is 32 liters, it seems. What was the height of the water that was initially there in the cuboid tank? What was the height of the water? Height of the water that was initially there in the tank is the question asked. Assume thickness of the water tank to be negligible and you are asked to find out the things. So see here, I will draw the things. Let's see now. Observe it carefully. Now, this is a cuboidal tank, it seems. Observe it. So I have tilted the tank beta to have clear cut understanding. Along the breadth, it's now this is called your breadth. This is called your breadth. Now what is breadth value? 40. And this tank is tilted along the breadth at an angle of 45 degrees, it seems. Okay, fine. Now see here, this will be the height. Height is how much? 80. Now this will be the length of the cuboid. This will be 60. And if you closely observe there, if you tilt the tank, the water will also be in this position, right? If you can closely observe there, am I right or wrong? Perfectly right. And the tilting will be at the same angle. Am I right or wrong? This will be the same angle as likewise your base tilting. This is 45 degrees beta. Perfectly done. And you know this side length is 60. This is length. Now this will be how much? Everybody know this will be 90 degrees. If this is 90 degrees, this is 45. This will also be 45 degrees, sir. It's a triangle now. One face of the, now see here, this part, I am on rounding of this part. Now this part is nothing but called prism. Which, what type of prism? Triangular prism. I'll write down here. This part is nothing but, this is in the shape of, because it is a 3D object beta. It is not a 2D object. It is a triangular prism. Okay, done. Now in this triangular prism, you wrote the length, right? Now what will be this length beta? Everybody knows. See, I can write down this very easily. You closely observe that this face is an 45 90 degrees triangle. Sides opposite to equal angles will be equal. Now this is 60 and this will also be 60. By this I can write down this as 60. I will be finding out the volume of this triangular prism there. So volume of the triangular prism is nothing but equal to base area into height. What is your base area? Base area will be square. Am I right or wrong? Is it square? No, yeah. Is it square? No. Base area into height. No. So base area will be equal to triangular face. Am I right or wrong? Base area half into your base value is 60 perpendicular sides. Am I right or wrong? Perpendicular 60 and 60 perpendicular height. Now what is the height of the prism? Height of the prism is nothing but equal to, see here, this is your height of the prism. Am I right or wrong? No, there is no such point called height there. So height will be 40. Now calculate this and let me know the value there. So it is totally 72,000 centimeter square. Okay, let's keep it aside. Now let's find out the total volume of the object here. Everybody know total volume of the object. Volume of the cuboid is how much here? Volume of the cuboid is nothing but equal to L into B into H. Everybody know. So calculate this L into B into, now 60 into 40 into 80. 60 into 40 into 80, 6 4s are 24, 24 8s are. So is it 192,000 centimeter cube? Now see here, what is the available space in this cuboid? अब देखो बेटा, इधर water भी चल गया, right? बाहर चल गया. It is 32 liters. Now I will subtract this, right? So this is the available water in the cuboid right now. This is the available volume of water available in the cuboid. 19,200 minus 72,000 is nothing but equal to how much beta? 12,000. Now this 12,000 centimeters cube is nothing but called volume of the water after tilting. Volume of the water after tilting. Now बोलो आप कितना water tilt किया? Hi Shubham, fine. आप कितना water tilt किया, right? So it is 32 liters. I will convert this 32 liters into centimeter cube, right? अब देखो बेटा, so 32 liters, can I write down this as 32,000 centimeter cube? Yes. Now, pura, what is the point there? What was the height of the water that was initially there in the cuboid? Initially, kitna water tha? So initially, this is the amount of quantity of water available there, 12,000 plus 32,000. Now this is the volume of water available in the cuboid. Now up to what height it is there? So divided by, I will be dividing by length and breadth there, 60 into 40, and I have to find out the height there. Calculate this value. 12,000 plus, is it 15,200? So calculate this and let me know the value there. 12,000, of course, 12 4 zeros na, 1 2 3 4 plus 3 2 is 152,000 divided by 60 into 40, 2,400. So divided by 2,400, it is 63.33 centimeters. So total height of the cuboid is 80 centimeter. So water filled up to a height of 63.3 centimeter, and this is nothing but called your height of the cuboid up to which water is there. So my option number C. So how many of you got this logic there? Yes, Dinesh, very good, excellent. So the thing is, those who can draw the diagram only can understand this thing, how to solve the question there. I hope so the question is clear, right? So please do try to hit the like button here if you like the session there, so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? So it's my request. Chalo, let's see how many can solve this question there. I will be giving you 2 minutes now. So aram se think karo, put your pen on the paper, then decide. Let's decide, right? Check the solution whether you are completely correct. Okay, fine. So check where you are going wrong. "40 seconds more. An Aztec temple made of stone is shown in the figure. It is in the shape of the frustum of a square pyramid. It is in the shape, so I have chopped off the top and it became like this. So the bottom surface of a square of side is 16 meter, while the top surface is a square of side 4 meter. The height of the pyramid is 9 meter. Find the volume of the pyramid is the question. So how many can solve this? Let's see. One of the finest question here. Minute more, nobody. Right. Observe the things there. I'll draw a little bit clearly. So I'll extend this and I'll make it as a square pyramid here. I'll make it as a square pyramid. Okay, done. So I will be taking down this part height as some x value up to here. I'll take down up to here as x. 765. Away Agarwal. Have you done any calculative error? Ek baar dekho. This is the total height of the pyramid. So observe only the front face of the pyramid beta. Front face of the pyramid will be a triangle. And you closely observe there. I'll take down some alphabets there. A, B, C. I'll take down this point as D and E. Observe only the front face of a square pyramid. The front face, observe there, triangle ADE and triangle ABC are similar triangles. Am I right or wrong? They have a common angle called A and they are residing on same height. So by this, what can I write down? My base value DE will be similar to base value of ABC, BC. So closely observe there, my height of triangle ADE is X. My height of triangle ABC is X plus 9. Find out the X value there first of all. DE is how much beta? 4. So this is 4. This is how BC value is how much? This is 16. So finally I can calculate like this. 4 1s are 4 4s are. If you closely observe there 4x, X will come. So X value will be how much? Is it 3? By this the total height of the pyramid is 12. So I will find out the total volume of the square pyramid beta. Total volume of the square pyramid, everybody know what is the volume of the square pyramid? Half into 1 by 3 into 1 by 3 into base area into height. Okay, let me find out this base area into height. So 1 by 3, what is base area? Base area is a square. So 16 into 16, it is 256. 256, right? Base area is square, not 16 into 6. So I'll write down like this. If you have any doubt later on also, it will be helpful. 16 square. What will be height? 9 plus 3. It is 12. So finally 3 1s are 3 4s are. So 256 into 4 will be how much beta? 16 square is 256. That's what. I took only the temple wala. You're right. Dekho, right? I have done correctly only. 1024. Height is 12 I took the height 12. Ek baar dekho. So pura volume. So in this part is 3 by 12. 3 by 12 means 1/4. Now this part will be 3/4. Am I right or wrong? 3/4. Now see, this is height. Now I will convert into volume. 3 by 4 whole cube, right? Am I right or wrong? 3 by 4 whole cube into 102, or otherwise, right, you can write down like this also. You can find out this value, right? 1 by 4 whole cube into 1024. 1024 is nothing but equal to 4 to the power of 5 beta. So 16 will be left over here. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly. So see, from 1024 remove 16. 1024 remove 16, which will be equal to 1008. Now this volume of this part will be 1008. I hope so. I am clear there. 4 into 4 into 4. So this is 1024 is nothing but equal to 4 to the power of 5 beta. So 4 square will be left over. The remaining part, so this is what the question asked. Volume of the pyramid, the temple wala volume of the pyramid is nothing but equal to 1008. That's what I have done there. I hope so you understood this, Agarwal. Yes, beta. Right. Got the point there? A beautiful question. I have seen this in IMS test series, right? I got this question there. Let's see the next one. Let's see how many can solve this. Again, this is an easy question. The question looks so clumsy, but you can answer this very, very easily. 2 minutes. Try this. I took this question from Crack test series here. Try this. In the following figure, the diameter of the circle is 3 centimeter. You need not find out the exact value, ma. You can write down the rough value. You can say me the rough value here. So don't convert this into quadratic equation, right? It will be a headache later on. Aram se focus on solving in a normal way only. See here, right? In the following figure, the diameter of the circle is 3 centimeter. AB and MN are diameters, are two diameters. So see here, AB and MN is diameter and O is the center of the circle. By this OB value is how much, ma? So everybody know radius na, it is 1.5. Is there any other data given there? Such that AB is perpendicular to MN, it means, so automatically it will make 90 degrees. Finally done. I'll write down like this. 90 degrees it seems. Oh, 1 second here. Done. Now observe this. CG is also perpendicular. CG is also perpendicular to AB, it seems. Okay, fine. Such that AE is to EB is 1 is to 2. So I'll take down AE value as 1 and you closely observe that EB value is 2. So EO value will be 0.5. Okay, fine. Let's come to the next point there. And DF is perpendicular. DF is perpendicular to MN such that NL is equal to 1 is to 2. NL is equal to LM is 1 is to 2. So automatically MO value will be 1.5. LM value is 2 means this will be 0.5 and this will be 1. Now what is the question asked? Find the length of DH. DH length is the question asked, beta, right? So see here, OD is nothing but called radius of the given circle. Now see, this is a Pythagoras theorem, right? Pythagorean triplet. Now where this value is 0.5. Now you are asked to find out DH value. I'll take down this as X. Radius is nothing but given as 1.5 in the question itself. So by Pythagoras theorem, 1.5 whole square is equal to X plus 0.5 whole square plus 0.5 whole square. Am I right or wrong? 1.5 is nothing but 2.25. 1.5 whole square minus 0.25 is equal to X plus 0.5 whole square. So this is LHS will be 2. Am I right or wrong? Can I write down this as X plus 0.5 is nothing but equal to root 2? Yes, perfectly I can write down like this. So finally, can I write down my X value as, don't convert into quadratic equation, right? It will be a huge headache to solve. So this will be very fine. Now X value is nothing but equal to, X is nothing but equal to DH value. DH value is nothing but equal to root 2 minus 1 by 2. So upon options, you can solve it very easily. I hope so you are getting my point there. Yes, perfectly done. Chalo, let's go for the next one. Yes, this question beta, right? This is a normal question, right? What we see regularly in our all textbooks, right? Mensuration textbooks, a regular question, but I have changed it a little bit with the values. That's it. "45 seconds. अरे यार ये क्या बेटा, right? Every day you ask the same question there. Yesterday also I answered you. Without knowing nothing about you, how can I suggest? I don't know how much basics you know. I don't know how many chapters you know. How many chapters you prepared, I don't know. You are asking me to answer me a random question. Please don't make jokes in the class. Any answer for this? Four identical triangles are cut from the corners of a square. Okay, so let's draw a diagram there, then we can understand this. I will be taking down a square. Four identical triangles are cut from the corners of a square. So I'll write down like this. This four identical triangles are cut from a square, and you have formed from a square of area 256 centimeter square. Automatically, what will be the side? The side value will be 16. Am I right or wrong? Perfectly done. Such that the resultant figure is a regular octagon. All the sides of an octagon is same, it seems. So first of all, what is the area of the regular octagon is the question asked. So as you said that you have cut identical triangle. So this will be A side A, this will be A side A. Now this is, everybody know, 90 degrees. Vertex angle of a square will be 90 degrees. Now this value will be root 2A. Right? 45, 45, 90 degrees triangle. Now this will also be A. Now how much will be this? This will be root 2A. Am I right or wrong? So 2A plus root 2A is nothing but equal to how much beta? Is it 16? This is side of the square, right? So I can take down A as common. So this will be equal to 16 plus 16 divided by 2 plus root 2. Of course, you can calculate this, rationalize this. 2 minus root 2 divided by 2 minus root 2. So what will be the value there here? Calculate this. A is equal to, am I right? Yes, perfectly right. So this is 4 minus 2, 2, 8. So 8 into 2 minus root 2. So 16 minus 8 root 2 will be the value there. 16 minus 8 root 2 will be the value there. Am I right or wrong? This is A value. Now, do anybody know what is the area of a regular octagon? So see here, a regular octagon can be divided into 8 equal triangles. Am I right or wrong? So see, for your sake, I'll show you one triangle, right? Here. Hope so you are getting my point, that these are the 8 triangles formed, and all these 8 triangles will be equal because it is a regular octagon, na? That's why. So see here, area of a regular octagon formula will be, how many of you know this? 8 into A square by 4, because we have to do with trigonometric properties, beta. One angle will be 135 degrees, na? Finally, I can write down this as 2A square into 1 plus root 2. So by this, what can I say, right? You substitute your a value here, automatically you can get the final answer, right? Solve it. Later on, right, you will get the answer. I approximate, right? Preeti, right? Approximate that value will be your answer, right, Preeti? Right. Chalo. Let's solve next question. This is one of my favorite question here. So I took this from one textbook. I don't know about where I took this some years ago. Let's see, right? Who can answer this? 2 minutes. If you can answer the first question, second question I'll answer. There is a secondary question for this. I'll answer that secondary question there. A diamond shaped plate hangs in a circular window as shown in the figure. A circular window. The length of the central wire is 25 centimeters. It seems okay. While the other two are 45 centimeter long. All the three wires are parallel to each other. The center of the circular window and the diamond plate coincide. The center of both circular and diamond window coincide. The sides of the diamond plate are circular arcs measuring 90 degrees each, it seems. This is 90 degrees beta. You are asked to find the distance between the two end wires is the question asked. So let's see how many can solve this. 3 seconds more. Preeti, Dinesh, Agarwal, Nomad, Shubham, Shpa. तो वो आज आज छुट्टी है, बहुत ज़्यादा कम स्ट्रेंथ तक पे. 5 seconds more यार. Ten seconds more. Any answer beta? No answers. Chalo, let I'll solve it. Now see here, this is the center of the circle and center of the plate also, it seems. So see here, here to here I'll take a line segment. I'll take down this line segment value as x. I'll write down blue ink. This value is x. Now you closely observe there. Is this nothing but called radius of the given circle? Yes, this is called radius of the given circle. I hope so you are understanding it. Now see here, is this value called x? Yes, this is x. This is also x and this is also x. Am I right or wrong? Okay. Now let's find out. Now this is x as you said there. Now this is a right angle triangle. How many of you are observing this is the right angle triangle? Because this makes 90 degrees according to the data given there. That's why I'm taking right angle triangle. So can I find out this x value? Yes, I can find out this x value. 45 whole square plus x square is equal to, now this value will be how much beta? This value is x plus 25. Am I right? Or the same value na radius from dot center to this is radius. So this is called radius. X plus 25 is nothing but called radius of the given circle. Now is equal to x plus 25 square. Okay, done. Now let's find out the value there. 45 square is nothing but 25. Everybody know. Plus x square. RHS value will be x square. 25 is nothing but equal to 625 plus 50x. So x square gets cancelled. 50x is nothing but equal to 1400. Am I right? Around 2025 minus 625 will be 1400. Its value will be how much? 5 2s are, is it 28? Yes, it is 28. Right. So my radius of the circle will be how much here? Of course, let us find out all those things later. What is the question asked? What is the distance between two end wires, it seems? Now closely observe there. Is this nothing but called distance between two end wires? Now how much is this value? Now this is x, this is x, this is x, this will be x, and this will be also x. Am I right or wrong? Or this value is nothing but distance between two parallel wires only now. X plus x. So distance between the two end wires is nothing but equal to 2x, and 2x value is nothing but equal to 56 centimeters square. This is the answer there, and your option number C. So how many of you got this logic there? Done. Let's come to the next question. What is the next question asked and what we have to find out there? Now, if air flows through the window at a rate of 2 meter cube per minute, it seems here, right? 2 meter cube per minute per unit area, and it does not pass through the diamond, and it does not pass through the diamond plate. Does not pass through the diamond plate. So what would be the approximate volume of air is displaced through window in 15 minutes? By this, what can I say? I have to, from circle area of the circle, I have to remove area of the diamond plate. Now this will be the area where the air passes. Am I right or wrong? Area of the plate, and which is nothing but diamond. What is the area of the circle? Everybody know area of the circle, right? Radius is 25 plus x, 25 plus 28, x plus 25. How much is this? Is it 53? Yes, it is 53. Now radius of the circle is 53. So pi r square. So it is pi into 553 whole square. Am I right or wrong? Minus, what is this area of the plate? Area of the plate is nothing but, now you closely observe there. Observe it carefully. I will be drawing this one. Area of the plate is this one, beta. So suppose I will be taking down like this. So this complete part I will be taking down as a square. This complete part I will be taking down as a square. Because this is x only now. So what will be this area of the square? Area of the square will be 56 whole square. Because side value is 2x now, 56 whole square. From this area, from this square, I will be removing the diamond plate area, right? So see, I will be removing this part, this part, this part, and this part. Now see here, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, 90 degrees, pura it is 360 degrees, and it will be one complete circle. Pi into what will be the radius of this part? Radius of this part will be this value, x value. Am I right or wrong? X value. This is 26. So pi into 26 whole square. I hope so you are getting my point there. Now this is the area of the plate. Am I right or wrong? Area of the plate. Area of the plate is nothing but how much? 56 whole square minus have I done any mistake? No, done correctly only. So pi into 20, is it 28 ma? 28 beta. This is not 26, 28 beta. 28 na, x value is 28 na. X value is 28, yes, perfectly. So pi into 28 whole square. By this, what can I write down? Pi into 53 square plus 26 square. Pi minus into minus will become plus 28 whole square minus 56 square. Now calculate this. 53 whole square into 53 is 2809. Plus 28 into 28 will be 784 plus 2809 is 3593. 3593. 3593 into 22 by 7. Let's calculate this value there. Into 22 divided by 7, it is 11292. 0.28 something. Minus how much is 56 square? It is 3136. Right. So let's calculate this. 11292.28 minus 3136 is So approximately what will you get value there? Now see here, you will be getting there as 7643 square centimeter beta. Now your answer is given in meters. So convert it into meters, which will become 0.76 square meters. Okay. Is this the value there? Please let me know. Yes. Anybody calculated this? Yes. What is the question asked? How much air will be flowed? If air flows, so what is the volume of air displaced, it seems. So see here, 0.76 square meter is the area available. In this area, how much air will be passed? 2 meter cube per minute. For how many minutes? 15 minutes. So calculate all these things. And what will be your answer there? Your answer is 22.8 meter cube. Upon calculations, this will be your answer there. I gave the procedure. Calculations you tried, right? You can get very easily. I hope so. I am correct, right? And you're getting my point perfectly. Yeah. Chal. Let's solve one more question here. Will you solve this? Yes. Try this question because previous question has two parts. Let's see. We are doing mensuration questions now. We'll do mensuration questions. Try this. Any answer for this? Okay, 5 seconds here. Any answer for this? A solid square pyramid having a base area of 49 centimeter square is cut by a plane parallel to the base, it seems. Okay, the upper part of the pyramid is melted to form a sphere, it seems. Okay, fine. So how shall we solve this? Any idea? Yes. So see here, I'll show you. I'll draw a square pyramid there, then you can understand the things perfectly. Then I'll erase it, right? So I'll be taking down a square pyramid here. Uh, so you have cut down like this. This part is melted into a sphere, it seems. So what is the question asked? If the diameter of the sphere is equal to side of the base melted part of the pyramid, then what was the height of the solid square pyramid is the question asked. So see here, I will be chopping down like this one, like this, right? Front part and back part. So for your understanding, I'll remove this. I'll write down only one part so that we can understand the things what's going on there. So see here, I'll take down like this. So this will be the exact half part of, this is the side of the base. Now see, a solid square pyramid with base area 49 centimeter square, matlab this will be 7 beta. And this will be 7 by 2. Am I right or wrong? Exactly half now. Now you closely observe there, this will be the height of the pyramid. Height of the pyramid. Am I right or wrong? And this will be the slant height of the pyramid. I'm showing only half part, right? Front part, right? I have chopped it, right? Now see here, you have chopped this pyramid like this. Let us suppose take this part is y, exactly half na. I'll take down the height part as x here. Okay, total height, I'll take down some value there. Let us suppose take. Now you closely observe there. I'll take down one more point there. Now, are you observing two triangles there? Yes, you are observing two triangles. I'll take down this part as D for my convenience. Later on, I'll change it beta. Now see here, this triangle and this triangle are similar triangles. Am I right or wrong? I am not taking any values. So see here. So height of this triangle will be similar to total height, right? Total height I will take down as h. H of the overall triangle, right? Of course, right? 3D shape. Now see here, y means this side will be equal to d by 2. 7 by 2 is nothing but called d by 2. So by this, I'll write down my y value as, what will be my y value? Dx by 2h. I'll keep it there side, right? Now, the point here is, so first of all, what is the volume of the total solid pyramid here? Solid pyramid, right? This part. Volume of this pyramid part 1 by 3 into, now see, this is only half part I have shown. One more part will be on the left hand side also. So base area will be 2y, right? Side will be 2y na, 2y whole square into, because square na, into height will be how much? Height will be x. So in the place of y, I can substitute dx by 2h, right? So I can write down this as 1 by 3 into 4 into d square x square divided by 4h square into x. Am I right or wrong? It's 4 and 4 gets cancelled. So finally, what will be the volume of this solid pyramid? D square x cube by 3h square. Now, again, one more point given there, beta. Observe there. If the diameter of this sphere means, so 2r, if I take radius, is equal to side of the base part of the melted part. Side is nothing but 2y na? Yes, I have shown only half part, full part value will be 2y. By this I can write down r is equal to y. Yes, I can write down r is equal to y. Now everybody know, even though if you melt it into another shape, your volumes will be same. So you have melted this upper part into a sphere. So sphere volume is how much? 4 by 3 pi r cube is equal to, now this will be the volume of the upper pyramid, right? Volume of the upper pyramid is this one, 3h square. And you know, in the place of r, I can substitute y. In the place of y, I can substitute this dx by 2h. So finally, can I write down like this? 4 by 3 into pi into, in the place of r, y, in the place of y, right? So see, this is d cube x cube divided by 8 h cube. 2 cube na is equal to d square x cube divided by 3h square. So finally, what will be x cube? X cube gets cancelled. D square d cube, here d will be left over. H square h cube, here h will be left over. 3 gets cancelled. 4 1s are, 4 2s are will be left over, beta. Right. So what will be left over there? Pi by 2 into, here 1 d will be left over, here 1 h will be left over, which is nothing but equal to 1. Now, what is the question asked? You are asked to find out height of the solid square pyramid. Total h value is the question asked. So by this, what can I write down? My h is equal to pi d by 2. Am I right or wrong? What is your d value? D value is 7. Pi is 22 by 7 into 2 denominator into 7. What is your height there? Is it 11? Yes, it is 11 centimeter. Height, total height of the h value is 11. Total height of the solid square pyramid value is 11. So how did I solve this? One such beautiful question, right? Chalo. So we will solve some more questions in the next class here. I hope so. You like the questions there. So these are some of the best questions here. So do try to follow my sessions there. It will be damn helpful for your CAT for sure, right? I can damn surely trust and say, right? Suraj, एक बार राइट रिवाइंड करो. आप कुछ डाउट है तो राइट यू कम टू द नेक्स्ट क्लास, राइट? आई विल एक्सप्लेन यू, राइट? एक बार रिवाइंड करो, देखो, राइट? आप पिन पॉइंटेडली बोलो. So this is my Telegram group also here, NLN10. You can join this Telegram group and you can ask me whatever doubt you have. And as you all know, I deal with CAT, UPSC and GATE and ESC category. If you wish me as your guide, you can use my code NLN10 for plus subscription. You can use my code NLN10 for iconic subscription for my guidance. You can unlock free classes using with my referral code NLN10. You can unlock combats using with my referral code NLN10. Yes, you can join my Telegram group also here. NLN10 is my Telegram group, right? Yes. And yes, the price for plus for 12 months will be 24,750 after discount when you use my code NLN10. This is for 18 and 24 months. Coming to iconic, it will be 41,175 after discount when you use my code NLN10 for 12 months, and this is for 18 and 20 months. And yes, do try to write this combat on August 21st sharp 12 p.m. here. Based upon this score, you can get at least 25 to 70% scholarship there. Unlock this mega combat using with my referral code NLN10. Yes. And yes, please do try to join my special classes here. My special classes has a very huge crowd, right? Like career opportunities, campus placement opportunities, strategy sessions. I have more than 1,000 students are also there in some classes, right? Our interaction level will be 10x more than on this YouTube channels. Join on the app, right? And please do try to hit the like button here. Share my classes if you like it, so that I can reach to more number of audience, right? Subscribe to the channel, download the PDFs and hit the bell icon to get the updates. Thank you and have a nice day. Good night.